tube, metal, flat bar, current, do some welding, and hang it to the wall. Let's do it. And now here's the metal that we need. We just need welding, make some holes, and fix it to the wall. Let's get it on. Alright guys, this is how it looked like after we had sent to the welding shop. And then we need to fix it on the wall. Yeah. And it's done now. So let's try. You're gonna add some more plates. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much.